Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to link your Facebook account with Temu account. So first we're going to go to the Temu app. Then once you're here, going to click on view. Then again we're going to click on settings found at the top right corner. So here we're going to click on account security if you guys have been following. Then here we're going to scroll downwards and click on link under the Facebook section. Then we're going to sign in. So you guys can either log in or create an account by inserting your mobile phone number or your password. Then once you're done, you're going to connect the Facebook account with your Temu account. All you have to do is log in. So that's how you basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.